check out the house. It's a little messy right now. So they got the bunks in the kids' rooms. Who's that pretty lady right there? Morning, girl. I am.
KK is always on YouTube.
KK is always on YouTube. Hey! We got a pool in the backyard. This is a huge backyard. That. Oh, look at that.
So I go in there.
So it's like a hot tub or whatever?
I'm back to go in there too. No, you're not.
Yeah. It's got the master bedroom. They got a bed. I think we're very underdressed for this.
Speak for yourself. What do you think about this?
Short rib spuds. They might be alright.
We ordered way more than we could eat though. My omelet was delicious. I would give it like an 8.5.
I would give them about a 7 or 7 to 7.5. But I'm seriously full. Like I can't eat anymore. Well, this is a nice area.
Yeah.
Which one? Now we got a 1.5 hour drive. We need to get on the road. It's Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's already
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Yeah. Y'all are now?
Oh.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, what up, camera? What up, our friends?
Y'all know May got a baby bladder, so she have to use the restroom right before our reservation. Hopefully we don't miss it. What?
I got a baby bladder. Who went to restroom twice on the way? I called it for an entire 2 hours. You
2
went
hours.
twice.
It didn't even take us 2 hours.
It was an hour 40 something minutes.
What's your names? What's your name? Who? Cameron? Riceland.
Landon.
Landon.
Victoria.
Victoria.
Landon.
Landon? It's 2 Landons? Oh, 2 of them. The vlogs.
So where are you from?
We do a relationship podcast too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we do vlogs and we do podcasts.
Okay.
That's
Thank you.
You will go down 260 feet. That's like 26 floors. And you get a lovely view of the mountain outside the front door.
26 floors down. She talking about as the elevator start working. No, please.
Thank you.
Hello, y'all. You're gonna follow me. Make sure to watch your head, watch your step. Now, here at Ruby Falls, we get people from literally all over the world. So we like to ask everyone where they're from. And y'all?
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas. Fun. I love
Originally Iran.
And originally Iran? Wow, that's awesome. Cool.
If you're a claustrophobic person, I wouldn't recommend doing it. But it's cool. It's like a cavern. It's like you underground. makes you like it better?
Yes, it was a meaningless. 17 hours underground digging this up so we can call it her name.
Thank you, because we get to see this beauty, but I don't know if I would have done it.
I'm gonna get.
This is dope, super cool. Thank you, my love. She always telling me when to wash my hands. I wonder how did they carve that? How did they carve through this? Like,
No, he did it because of movie.
it's getting good and shaky. What you think so far?
This is amazing. I like this.
All right, y'all. That's it. Let's head on in.
Yeah,
right?
it's like an hour. This was really, really fun, actually. If you're claustrophobic, it ain't gonna work for you. 'Cause it's like sometimes the space is real thin. I'm kind of tall, so like the ceiling was on my head a lot.
See, for me, it wasn't like there was no problem. I'm sure. The other one, this is actually nice.
I like that. We finna go get some meat. Now I'm
I
hungry.
loved it.
Me too. I thought it was awesome.
It was dope.
We're going to a place called The Feed. The stuff on Yelp looked pretty good. She picked it.
You said my food doesn't look good, but to me it does.
I got the pot roast and mashed potatoes and carrots. I don't know.
I don't know. Something
Got the crochet going, huh?
I could stare at you for 100 years and You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care that seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay, I'll stay, I'll stay.
Go, baby. This is how we want to do our backyard. By the way, we going through model homes to get ideas. So our patio is kind of like this, and then I want to build a little sidewalk, like a little stone. Me too, like a little stone sidewalk leading to a gazebo.
We do have the space for it.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
You saying that you think would be a good idea?
So we can put these concretes down also
Yeah.
under our patio
And extend
our
it,
patio.
extend it a
Yeah.
little bit out, and then have the walkway going to